it's not gonna happen.
I don't play.
Come on.
Ooh, I hit you with the K.
No, you won't.
And I end your bitch day.
Come on.
What's up, world? This is J.O.N. Coming back again with another freestyle breakdown. This one features Tokyo Vanity and Karlous, freestyling over one of my beats called Funky Monkey. I had this funk vibe that I wanted to try that I knew Karlous would dig, and this was the perfect opportunity to do it. So Tokyo Vanity, shout out to her, bars went crazy. So after the clip, stay tuned for a beat breakdown of Funky Monkey. All right, J.O.N.
What would it look like? You need niggas so you can blame shit on.
No.
Yeah. Y'all
think
need
it would really just
niggas
be like,
so you can blame shit on. Niggas taking over. Quit going through a nigga phone. Hey, leave all of my shit alone. Hey, if you wanna be on your own, say that. Say that. A lot of women make themselves unhappy too. Cause niggas be out here doing the best work that they can do. You go looking for shit and making up shit in your mind.
Catching the beat too.
There's only so many times you can blame a nigga for doing some shit before a nigga do it. You wanna blame shit?
My way.
Why? No, it's not gonna happen.
I don't play.
Come on.
Ooh, I hit you with the K.
No, you won't.
And I end your bitch day.
Come on.
So don't call my phone.
Come on.
When I get home.
Come on.
It's another nigga here.
Hey, he could be there.
You thought I was alone. Period.
Hey, he could be there. Cause you just talking your shit. One thing about black women, they don't shoot good dick. Hey, she might pull out a gun. Hey, and act a fool in the yard. Hey, and then when you say, girl, cut the bullshit, and you stare at her real hard, she gonna look at that meat.
You saying girls don't shoot no dick? What's the good if you coming quick? We don't give a fuck about no dick, cause y'all dick be making a bitch sick.
You lying on me. My dick good and registered in Tennessee and Mississippi and Alabama. I won awards in Florida for having a prettiest dick in the contest. I won a ribbon.
Dick ain't got no papers.
You a lie.
Boy, we ain't trying to date ya.
We don't want to date y'all either.
Got no papers.
We don't want to date y'all either.
We don't need no nigga to date. We don't need no nigga tomorrow. No, you can't drive my car, and I ain't got no fucking money to borrow.
That's okay, cause my homeboy said the head whack anyway. That's okay, cause my homeboy said the head whack anyway. Cause he met you back 2 summers ago when you first met in the city. You got drunk at the pool party and pulled out both of your titties.
Hold up.
He showed me the video.
Good head ain't dead. Y'all niggas just ain't got bread. Good head ain't dead. These niggas just ain't got bread.
You must don't know. 400 million views on the 85 South Show. Coming up quick. Money real long, but it ain't longer than my dick. Well, not yet. My money come up to my dick neck, but my dick still taller. You don't believe me? Call her. I had an old school chick named Paula. She put me up and bought me an Impala. She said, Lowe's, won't you call her? I said, no. I hit her from the front of the boxers with the dick hole. She said it don't get old. She wanna hit me for fun, but she can't this weekend. She got a grandson.
He ain't got no money in the bank. If you wear the drawers with the little hole, your booty stank.
She lying. Those was Calvin Klein. And they cost $109 for the 3-pack. Google it. You're probably gonna see that with the athletic band. I was on like leg steel with the meat in my hand, but the ball still tucked.
With a shit thing. All y'all niggas the same. Trying to find a little cute bitch to blame. But we don't give a fuck like Wayne.
Niggas spending the night. Have a spend the night bag with some man wipes. Yeah, niggas got wipes these days. Cause niggas ain't playing and then take a blue chew. Then hit her with the meat. And now she been blowing up the phone all week. And a homegirl said, ooh, he's so sweet. Didn't even know she sent them titties last week in the DM. Had to leave them on the request, but I seen those breasts. She said, if it don't work out, I wish you the best. And you can come over here and get the rest. I'm like, hold on, are y'all friends? She laughed and then sent the coochie again. I ain't finished. You need to know about your friend. You think she your best one, but she tread, I can pit it when I want to and leave it on her chest, I'm the best one. And you didn't know that your friend sent the titty to the DM. My homeboy said, let me see him. Said, no, they ain't supposed to be up in here.
Let me tell you about your man.
So go ahead.
Let me tell you about your man.
Go ahead.
You don't understand.
Come on.
I'm gonna tell you about your man.
I know.
Hollering out with the mouth dude. We on the internet, we see he like boys too.
Who?
Shit.
No, you don't understand.
Please don't cut me off.
I don't know that nigga, cause that ain't my man.
You know I got my what?
I don't know that nigga.
Oh, you don't know that nigga?
I don't know that nigga. I tell you one
Talking
more
about
game.
he gonna kill me cause I'm with another nigga. He ain't killed the niggas who killed his niggas.
Wait a minute, that's too far. That's too motherfucking far. I don't know what happened. It wasn't nothing to do with me. You take shit too far. You take shit way too far. We was having fun and we was talking shit and then shit got personal.
Yeah, okay.
I wonder why you kept talking about a specific nigga. I was like, no, cause these responses sound too personal. I can't come back for all the shit this nigga did. None of that was general. That was real specific, Tokyo. All you didn't do was say that nigga name. I don't know. Look, bruh, hey, bruh, you gotta come up here and write your own freestyle.
That's not
whatever
true.
the fuck she got going on,
that's not true.
I can only tell you about what I seen.
If I was talking about
Man, I don't, whatever. Whoever that, I don't know.
Nah, just
don't know them people. I don't know them people. See, that's why I can't be around you too long. You get to talk. Cause you be getting to talking shit and then you.
Funny to him,
I know.
You wanted to say my friend sent your titties.
She
all
did.
I told you was this nigga like niggas.
I don't know that nigga. That's what all I'm saying. You saw what I was doing. I was looking at titties, and then you gonna bring that up and try to bring. Don't put that on me. Back to like I was saying, you thought I was playing. Like the video your homegirl sent. At first it was one tit with the hand on the other. And then she sent the other. She's a motherfucker. She can't stand your ass. She can't stand your ass. Cause every time you go out, y'all act like you don't see her. She can't stand your ass.
Titty this, titty that.
Titty
Y'all
this,
niggas so
titty that.
whack.
What?
With them big ass backs. Getting on my fucking nerves.
Who?
And y'all niggas be pervs. Talking to these young ass girls.
Now here you go. See? That's why I didn't want to freestyle with you no more. You two don't play about shit like this. Fucking crazy ass.
Bleep this.
Damn, Tokyo. You too rambunctious.
Well, you should have said that before we started rolling.
I know.
Hickory dock.
See, that might mean something else too.
Up the clock. Bitch, I'm finna pull out this Glock. Oh, no.
Fuck it, just do it for the streets one time.
Just beep it out, beep it out.
Fuck it, do it for the streets one time. Pull the Glock out. I'm riding with Tokyo. She got a whole bunch of guns. She be like, shit, which one? I'm like, the police is out here. She didn't really give a fuck because she from Louisiana. I think she shot 2 niggas in Alabama. I don't know. Maybe, because you know that her ass so crazy. In every song, something go wrong.
I don't give a fuck. I just pulled up in a big ass truck. My name Tokyo, and I don't love these hoes. I love a nigga with at least 12 fucking goals. That's that hood rat shit. I love that shit.
See, that's why you be talking that shit. Because you be fucking with niggas with 12 goals.
Funky Monkey. It's a funk song. Funk is all about groove. It's all about feel. Less is always going to be more. All right? So with that being said, the drum program is 4 on the floor. Just something simple, just to get you bobbing your head, right? But the main meat is the bass line. I gotta add the rhythm guitar, which really just, again, adds to the groove. And as the groove is tight, with the rhythm guitar just adding to the funk. Let's add some melody. Beat breakdown, Funky Monkey. Shout out to Tokyo, Vanity, and Los. J.O.N. Peace.